Assistant Vice President Ghanshyam Singh, who was arrested by Mumbai Police Crime Branch on the 10th of November at 7:30 a.m., continues to languish in jail. He was arrested over fake charges in the TRP case. Ghanshyam Singh is in judicial custody and is in the Taloja jail. Rhythm is picking up the latest on this. Over to you, Rhythm.
Suisha, it's been 23 days. Ghanshyam is currently languishing in Taloja jail. Tomorrow is a very crucial day because the order had been reserved for the 5th of December, when we are now, with fingers crossed, hoping justice is finally done. It's been a case in which the police has been dragging on. They earlier did not appear in the first cases of the hearings when they said that they needed more time. In the next cases of the hearing, they said that an identification parade is needed, and finally the order was reserved last week, and tomorrow is a crucial day when this order is going to be coming out on whether finally Ghanshyam is given bail. Remember, this is also coming out when finally the charge sheet in this particular case is already being filed. Hence, there is no use for the police to continue to ask for his custodial interrogation because the charge sheet has been filed. Under law, once the charge sheet has been filed, prima facie, the maximum work is already done. Also, the other accused in the case, who's been named as accused, are already out on bail. It is time Republic TV's Assistant Vice President of Distribution Ghanshyam Singh is also given bail, which is now becoming something that we are continuing to fight as justice for. Also remember, like we've been saying, Suesha, the Supreme Court judgment came when it spoke about interim bail. It spoke about liberty and how denying liberty for even one day is a day too many. This is something we need to keep in mind when we are thinking about 23 days that Ghanshyam Singh has been in custody. He was earlier in police custody for a week, after which he's been in judicial custody. That is, he's been in jail at Taloja jail for the last 2 weeks. 5th December, when his order comes out, becomes extremely crucial because now we have to see that the tone and tenor, the letter and spirit of the Supreme Court's order is followed through and through. In the last few days that we've been seeing, the police had tried to use delaying tactics, but now finally what has to come out and be seen is tomorrow, when the lower Mumbai court has reserved its order on the bail application that has been filed for Ghanshyam Singh, comes through and he gets bail. Because also, like we said, if you go on the facts of the case, the charge sheet in this particular case has already been filed. Once the charge sheet is filed, it's a given that Ghanshyam Singh, our Assistant VP of Distribution, should be getting bail, and also no other delaying tactics should be used. It's time for justice for Ghanshyam. Like we've said earlier, our campaign continues to be Release Ghanshyam, who's languishing in the Taloja jail for 23 days now.
Very right. Rhythm, we'll keep coming back to you for more on this. For the moment, thank you for joining us.